Here we are in Chapter 2, Review Exercises, numbers 30 through 33, with the shapes and formulas. So the shapes are in your textbook. On the test, they'll be given to you. Using the formula, I equals PRT for interest. So this is just a simple interest formula. Find the missing variable. In this case, we're looking for P. Notice the data, the variables, and the plan are given to us in the formula. So interest goes right there. So we have 776.52 equals P times rate is 4%, that's 0.04, and times T, which is 7. These two guys are a 0.28, so it looks like 776.52 equals 0.28p. Can we solve this? Sure. No parentheses, no fractions, no multiple p's. We don't even have addition subtraction. It's just a one-step problem where we divide by 0.28, and use a calculator. That don't think I can do that one in my head. 776.52 divided by 0.28. Enter. 2773.29. 2773.29. Now this is dollars and cents, so rounding at 2 decimal places is conventional. That's a normal thing to do. All right, number 31. Using this formula, again, good thing they gave it to us, and C is 95 right here. So we have 95 equals 5/9 F minus 32. Find the missing variable, so which is F. Do we have parentheses? Yes, so we'll jump this in. So 95 equals 5/9 F minus 160/9. Do we have fractions? Yes, let's multiply through by that least common denominator. The denominators are all 9, so times by 9, times by 9, times by 9. Cancels there, cancels there. 9 times 95. 9 times 90, that's like 858.55, I think, equals 45. No, not 45. What am I thinking? The 9 canceled, so I get 5F minus 160. Now add 160 to both sides. Add 160. And we get 5F equals, what is that, 10? Let's write that on the same side. That is 1015 equals 5F. Divide both sides by 5, and we get F equals, sheesh, what is that, 203, I think. Let's just double check and make sure we got that right. 1015 divided by 5. 203. So yes, 203 degrees Fahrenheit will be our answer on that one. Whew. Okay, number 32. If a perimeter, now you might have to look that up. For a rectangle perimeter, that's the formula P equals 2L plus 2W. That's good. It gives us our variables and our plan already. So it says the perimeter is 76, so 76 is going to go right there. It says the length is 8 longer than the width. So that whole kit and caboodle has to go right in there. So when we stick all that in, we get 76 equals 2 times that whole 8 plus W, because that's what the length is the length is 8 bigger than the width, plus 2W. Oh, look at what we have. We have an equation. Do we have any parentheses? Yes. Jump that in. We get 76 equals 16 plus 2W plus the 2W out here. Alrighty. Do we have fractions? No. Do we have multiple x's? Yep. Combine them together over here. That's 4W plus 16 equals 76. And get rid of any addition subtraction. So minus 16, and we get 60 equals 4W. Step number 5, multiplication division. Divide off the 4, and we get W equals 15. Excellent. And the last one, number 33, slant height of a cone with a radius and surface area. So we're looking for the SA formula, which if you look in your appendix or in earlier in the chapter, we get surface area of a cone is pi r squared plus pi r L. And the slant height is that guy right there. So surface area is 540. That equals pi times r squared, so 36 plus pi times 6 times that slant height. Alrighty. Now if you'd like to turn these into a decimal, you can. I'll call this 36 pi, but you'll get a decimal here, and you can, when we subtract this over and divide by these things, you can have those decimals there. So I'm going to write this out for 540. If you want to write the decimals, that's perfectly fine, plus 6 pi L. But you'll notice these steps clarify exactly what we're doing, whether we knew what these decimals were or not. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any fractions? No. Do we have multiple L's? No. So we're down here to step 4. Get rid of any addition, subtraction. So subtract that 36 pi. And let's go ahead and punch that in on this calculator. 540 minus 36. This calculator has the pi button there. So that's 426.90. 426.90 equals 6 pi L. Now we're on step 5. Get rid of the 6 and the pi because it's timesing that L. So divide by 6 pi, divide by 6 pi. And on the calculator, I've kept all the decimals here. Now I'm dividing by. Make sure that 6 and pi are both in the parentheses so it doesn't inadvertently go left to right with order of operations and divide by 6 and times by pi. And we're left with L as 22.65. 22.65, and this is, the area was in inches squared, the radius was in inches, so this will be in inches. 22.65 inches. Good, there's 30 through 33.